fun video. I am super excited to share this one with you. I'm actually leaving for Georgia tomorrow morning, and I just wanted to share with you what I pack when I travel for my junk journaling, because I do like to journal on the go. I feel like I forget stuff when I get back home, and a lot of the memories I feel inspired to just record while I'm there. So I will leave a space for pictures so that I can print them when I get back. But other than that, I do fill up my journal. Now this is one that we've made in a previous video. You'll be able to find it on my channel. And I just used an old Universal Library book and just added some random papers inside, some fun little elements, and I will link that video down below if you want to go watch it. My binding is temporary for now because I want to bind this when I come home. I find on my travels usually that I do run into paper somewhere or the other. Yes, I do go looking for it also, but you know, sometimes you find beautiful wrapping paper that a gift that you buy comes in, or you find some pattern paper that is unique to the country that you're visiting. So I don't bind my books till I get back home in case I want to add some more signatures. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to keep some paper in a little pack just in case I need some for making little tuck spots or embellishments and stuff like that. So I'm keeping some watercolor paper because I do want to sketch a little there. Then I'm keeping this napkin that I got from Temu, and I showed it to you in my haul recently. Now these are all little offcuts of paper that were saved when I bound the book, when I cut the signatures for the book. So they will go with the whole theme if you want to do that. If you want to keep a theme, I suggest always saving your offcuts. I'm just keeping these because it's convenient, and I do like using up as many scraps as possible. Again, this is all pattern paper that is featured in the book, and then some little offcuts that I really like. And then this page from Daphne's diary that I might do something with. I might actually just slip it into a signature, but I am not sure right now, so I'm just going to keep this with me. And as my book is not permanently bound, there is a lot of room to play, to take out stuff, to put in stuff. So that's my little paper pack, and I will just wrap it up with the book. Now this little traveling case I got specifically for traveling to Georgia. I thought it'd be fun to like fill the pockets with all different things that I think I may need. And again, when you zip it up, it's like, it's this big. So hopefully it will also keep me contained, because that's another thing that I struggle with a lot. So I'm just trying to see, actually this might fit in here as well. So we'll try that in the end. I do want to take some washi tape. So I like this pattern a lot. So I'll pop this in here. Not the strawberries, I like the rainbow. I'll probably keep the rainbow. Just trying to figure out where to put what. And then I like this thinner one, it's pretty neutral. And let's keep the map one, and that is enough. I'm going to keep a little sketchbook because I like to record any tangles that I find while I'm traveling, since I also love to tangle. And I'm going to put that in there, which means that I should probably put the washi maybe even here in the middle would be okay. I think it will close just fine. Yeah, it will. So I can do that. Obviously we need an eraser, we need a sharpener, so I'm just taking that stuff out of my stash. Then I'm going to go for some Micron pens. Again, these are good for tangling as well as journaling. So I'm keeping 3 pens. 2 are 01s and 1 is a 05. So those will go in there. Then I do like to do some lettering. So I will keep a couple of brush pens, and this is a bold brush. and this is a finer brush, so I'll keep both of these. Let's see, what else do we want to take? I am going to be taking my little watercolor kit, and if I'm taking that, yes, you know, it won't fit there, so we have to put it here. If I'm taking that, then obviously I need some brushes, and I always travel with water brushes, so I'm just keeping a couple of these. Then for my tangling, I need a pencil. Just trying to see where I have put my pencils. I will need a pencil, and I will need a blending stump. So I'll add those when I find them. I will also keep a little ruler. And this is also something that I recently bought from Temu. So some of the brushes are kind of fitting. The others I think will have to lie down like that. So that's another thing to consider. The pens fit just fine. My notebook fits in well over here. I can't fit in my palette. Let me see if I can fit it in here. Probably not. So it's either the book or the palette. I mean, one of them has to be loose. So I'll put the palette inside here, and then I'll just put the notebook on top, because that's not going to move around too much. And then I'm just going to add in some little stickers and things. So I have an entire drawer full of this stuff. You know, you can add all sorts of little cards that you feel you might use. I like these. Yeah, I think maybe just like 3 or 4. These can go in here. I think I'll put those 2 things at the end, since they are creating a bit of a problem. And let's see, you can keep a lot of stickers. I am going to go and just grab one sticker sheet that I want to pop in here. So I usually get a lot of these larger sticker sheets, but I also have these sticker books, which they kind of keep you on the same theme, if that's something that you would like to do. I'm just going to see if this sticker sheet will fit in the bag, which it will. So I'll probably just take from the sticker books instead of cutting up the sticker sheet. So let's see. I've used quite a few of these. I like these labels, so I'm going to take these. Then I also like these words, and alphabets are always good, as are these little strips. Florals always. Let's see, what else do we have in the other books? I do want to use that one. Oh, these are nice. So they just add a little bit of fun to your layouts immediately. This one is a great one for, you know, keeping track of the dates. Again, I'll keep one more letter one and one of this, and that's it. Again, I have to stop myself because I can fill these. I can fill like probably 10 of those and not even realize that I've done it. So these will go in here. Yep, they just barely fit, so that's good. That'll keep the shape. And I'm thinking if I need any color pencils, and no, I don't, because I have a watercolor set, so I'm, you know, good for color. I have the black markers that I need. I have fine liners, and I have brush markers. I have paint brushes. I also have washi tape, and I'm just thinking if there's anything else that I want to include. I really don't think so. I think my glue bottle a pair of scissors, maybe a few paper clips, because sometimes you want to, you know, clip stuff in and you don't want to like glue it in, so maybe that, and that's about it. So I mean, if you really think about it, the essentials don't really take up that much space, and since I do have space in here, I'm just going to hopefully be able to just pop this into. So all I have is then this, and I have my book, and that's it. I am ready to go. I will be sharing Instagram stories and hopefully small videos of me journaling in Georgia. So if you want to see what the country looks like, which I have heard it is absolutely gorgeous, do follow me on Instagram at MZ Creates. I will also be looking for art shops and just generally exploring the culture of the place, as well as their handicrafts. And I am super excited, and I would be so happy if you would join me on my adventures. So you follow me on Instagram at MZ Creates, and I will say hi from Georgia. Bye-bye.